Hello, I'm Dr. J. Narayanan, Professor and Chairperson of the Department of Chemical Engineering and Material Science. I joined Amrita in the year 1999 and I have been working in the Chemical Engineering Department since the year 2007. My area of specialization is Polymer Science and Engineering. We have a team of excellent faculty in our department. 90% of our faculty have PhD from eminent institutions and 50% of them have industry experience too. We have a strong focus on undergraduate and postgraduate education with socially conscious research. In the year 2013, we received a major funding from MHRD to set up the Center of Excellence in Advanced Materials and Green Technologies. As part of this particular center, we have a lot of translational research happening, and this research is focused towards the needs of the society.
As far as my life in Amrita is concerned, whatever I am today, it's because of Amrita. Be it on my academic front, be it on my co-curricular front, talking about music and other stuff. 4 years of my life, having been an NRI, I grew up all my life in the Middle East, and then came down to India for my 4 years of bachelor's degree. My first experience of Indian education system in India. It was a really fantastic experience.
My time in Amrita, I would say it was like a roller coaster ride. It had lots of ups and downs, but at the same time it taught me a lot, not only on how to navigate through my career, but just how to navigate through life in general.
I had the best 4 years of my life in there. The campus, the faculty, the friends, the knowledge, the experience is just amazing. And being a chemical engineer is fun. I know I had interacted with a few juniors, and especially when you start out, you're not so sure about what it is and if it's the right thing, because it's not a very common stream of engineering, and a lot of people are usually skeptical about it. But I think it was one of the best choices that I ever made.
I felt that the program was full of exciting and challenging courses that I really enjoyed taking. The professors in particular really helped us understand the fundamentals by facilitating a lot of discussion and questioning. And since most of them also have a significant amount of industrial experience, they also helped us put the concepts that we were learning in the perspective of industrial practice. And this for me was a distinguishing feature of the learning that happened at Amrita and in the department. So along with this, on the co-curricular front, there were multiple opportunities for us to take up projects, work on research studies along with professors and graduate students. And most of this was enabled by the facilities and projects that were run by the Center of Excellence in Advanced Materials and Green Technologies here at the department. And along with all these opportunities, there are also some very innovative hands-on and experiential learning opportunities at the Living Labs program. So all these aspects, along with the great people that we have over there, went along to put together a very memorable and enriching learning journey for me. I'm incredibly grateful for that.
Definitely, Amrita has played a major role in this journey of mine because being in computational field, we need to have a very strong software skills, which I have learned from Amrita. And definitely the faculty and student bonding that exists in Amrita, the way the curriculum is structured, and the skills that have been added to the curriculum, all of these things have always helped me to perform better than my lab mates or colleagues or even in interviews.
When I look at my batchmates now, I can see that they have all ended up in various fields, which makes me realize the vast job opportunities for a chemical engineer. Production, design, R&D, marketing, etc. are some of the fields where a chemical engineer can work. I understand that there are a lot of myths around chemical engineering, and one of the frequently heard ones is that chemical engineering course has a lot of chemistry. This is actually not true. We, as chemical engineers, design processes and equipment to manufacture chemicals. So our course is a good mix of chemistry, physics, maths, mechanics, etc.
One of my earliest memories in Amrita was during our orientation when our teacher, he said, chemical engineering is universal engineering, meaning everything you see around you, every object, it involves the efforts of a chemical engineer at some point. Years later, now I realize how true that statement is.
I would thank all the faculty because all the faculty have been very close to me, and I particularly enjoyed a very special faculty-student relationship, and I can guarantee to all of you that this sort of an emotional bonding that you have with faculties, with the faculty in Amrita is not something you can enjoy elsewhere in the world.
We had good guidance and support from our HOD and other faculty members throughout our academic life at Amrita. We also have a beautiful campus at Ekumadai and various clubs which you can be part of to develop our extracurricular interests along with academics. I would like to wish you all the best and hope you all enjoy Amrita life as I did and realize that you indeed selected a distinguished and rewarding engineering branch.
We had the best faculty there. I just had a great time interacting or having discussions with them. They were really helpful, and I just cherish all the time that I got to spend there. It was a wonderful experience for me.
Don't limit yourself to conventional choices and try to explore and find out what are the different options that you have and try to find out what you like. And whatever you choose, I'm sure you'll be able to connect it with what you learned or what you will learn in B.Tech. Because as I said, chemical engineering is universal engineering. And in the process, try to have fun, make a lot of friends, stay in touch with your professors, and feel free to connect with us, alumni, through LinkedIn.
Definitely, I can assure you that the learning is a lot from Amrita, and definitely the bonding that you get to have with your faculties is something that you cannot experience anywhere outside, and that will also help you in enhancing your knowledge. Apart from all of these things, definitely the alumni network that we have, like the seniors always want their juniors to shine like the way they do. So I look forward to seeing you at Amrita, and all the very best for your future.